This evening in Primetime News, remittances from the U.S. to officially be taxed.
Double murder at a candlelight vigil.
And later, police investigate accidental shooting that left 2 officers injured. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands, I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. Now, a little later on, we'll have the financial week.
But first, here's Spencer Darlington with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you, Gio. Well, the second test between the West Indies and Australia in Grenada is tantalizingly poised after just 2 days. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And Gio, we've been feeling the heat.
Indeed.
Ramin is here with what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Kalisha. Now, some relief is expected this weekend, especially on Sunday. Also on Monday, we do have a tropical wave that passes through the area. We're expecting increased clouds and also increased shower activity across the Jamaica area.
So hopefully things will cool down a little bit. It's been a little red hot. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the imposition of a 1% tax on remittances from the U.S. by the Trump administration?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.